What's going on, YouTube? Today, as of March 28th, 2024, we are starting the dream bike build. Back behind me, I have a 2017 KX250F that I've had for roughly a couple months now, and I've realized I don't like leaving things stock. So let's go ahead and we're going to get her washed up, and we're going to jump into tearing her down and building her. But y'all stay tuned, because we got some... This bike is going to look insane at the end of all the episodes. So stay tuned. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up and dried. Got it running right down to blow out all the excess water. So let's put it back in the garage, start taking this bad boy apart. Okay, so we got her back in the garage. She's sitting on the stand. We got my mom's bike right here, actually. Good old KLX 300. But so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna throw it into the montage of tearing these old plastics off. I'm not actually gonna tell y'all what we're installing today. You're just gonna have to wait until the end of the video to see that. But what we do is going to change the look of this bike for the rest of the time I have it. Just today. So not including everything else we're gonna do. Just today. So y'all, you gotta stay tuned, because when I tell you this bike is going to be amazing at the end, I mean it. So let's jump into it, throw it into a montage, and get these plastics off, baby. Woo! Okay, so some of these bolts are in here, kind of, I guess you would say, cross-threaded, because they're not wanting to come out. So we're going to go ahead and put down the camera for a second, turn on some music, and trying to get these stupid things out. So we'll pick you up whenever I got it all out and done and off, and hopefully it doesn't take me too much longer, because I've been trying. Okay, boys and girls, we got it, all the plastics off, kind of thrown around. Yeah, it's a garage. We'll clean it up later. We got her kind of shiny, looking... kind of get her trying to look kind of nice, at least. But now we're gonna show y'all what we got and what we're gonna be putting on this right now. So let's get into it. So now, here we go. That's the box. Most people, oh, it's an exhaust, oh, it's this. Nope. Let's go ahead and cut this bad girl open real quick. We'll show you, ladies and gents, what it is. Give me 1 second. Ladies and gents, what we have here are brand new all black plastics. These are going to make the bike look phenomenal. But the graphics kit we are putting on these plastics, boy, I'm going to tell you this, it's going to make it, bring it together and look fantastic. I might not be the best rider out there, but I'm going to be the best looking. So let's throw it into the montage and get these installed. Oh, boys and girls, it's been a long night. These plastics gave me some trouble. Not the plastics themselves, but the bolts that whoever had the bike before me decided not to put back in, or to cross thread them, and we had to cut the bolts out. But she's sitting here right here in front of me, and before I show you what she looks like, just keep in mind, not the finished touch, just the first little bit. But we have, I want to give 2 big shout outs to, 1, Traction MX for the seat cover that's on here, and 2, this company right here. These are where we ordered our plastics from. My dad also has the hand guards on his bike. I might order some black and white ones for my bike. Those 2 companies are pretty good. And let me tell you something about this seat cover, man. Traction MX killed it, man. Whenever you're sitting there and you're ripping, this thing is gripping, old son. But let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show you boys what this bike looks like. That concludes today's video of the first part of the dream bike build. I think it looks fantastic. Just wait until we get the second part out, because it's gonna look even better. We have a graphics kit coming. We have a few little things like foot pegs, grips, but the biggest thing is, I think soon we will be getting an exhaust on this thing. The exhaust I am putting on is going to make it look 10 times better than what it already does. So y'all have to stay tuned, because when I tell you this thing's going to look phenomenal, I mean it. But let's go ahead and end today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.